Hello everyone, this is Rich with True Soundworks Audio. Today I thought we'd do a video on PAS Labs X260.8 Silver versus Black. What color do you like? I hope you enjoyed this short video on the PAS Labs X260.8 Silver versus Black. Let us know what color you liked in the comments below. Give it a thumbs up. And if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. We will see you on the next one.